So there's the Dundonald International Ice Bowl, just there with Indiana land. This place is always buzzing. Weeknights, really buzzing. So, and it's much more than an ice rink. They've got the ice rink, they've got Alaska Sports Diner, they've got Xtreme Bowling, they've got Indiana land, they've got escape rooms have come to Dundonald, so you can chance your arm or get locked in at these escape rooms. They've got clip and climb. I don't know. There's a lot going on in here. Whenever this Dundonald Ice Bowl was first built 32 years ago and opened in 1986 by Peter Robinson, many people regarded this as a bit of a white elephant. They said it wouldn't work. And how wrong were they? This place has brought jobs and interest and fun to this area. So the cynics were wrong. It's been a huge success story, and it attracts huge numbers for events from all over Northern Ireland and indeed Ireland. And just recently, I believe the film as regards the life story of Torval and Dean was filmed here. It's the second home of the Belfast Giants as well, forgot to mention that. It's brilliant, and you don't have to go into town, and you don't have to pay parking. Super place to hone your skills on the ice rink. And this is the plaque, the unveiling plaque, dating from 1986 when the Ice Bowl was opened. At the entrance area of the Ice Bowl here, and Indiana land, and the bowling's that way, and there's all sorts of games going on here, and it's just a fabulous place. Alaska Sports Diner, of course, up there. This seating area that parents and supporters can watch their wee ones being coached and all the rest of it, or they can watch what's going on. This is the actual ice skating rink. This is a massive ice rink, and it was, as I said, built 1986 and is going strong from strength to strength.